Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Bridget here. Today I am just going to show you a very simple scrambled egg or rumble tumble in the microwave. No cooking involved. We are going to use the microwave and you can see in 2 minutes your scrambled egg is going to get ready. So just keep watching. As I said, we need 1 tomato that's chopped, 1 green chilli chopped into bits just to give it a bite, and 2 small onions that I've chopped. Then I'm going to beat up 4 eggs. Going to add a little pepper and salt, but if you want it more spicy, you could always add a little chili powder. If you want to make it like a masala type of rumble tumble, add a little cumin to it. But I'm just going to add pepper and salt and with these few green chilies. So just keep watching. So I've beaten the eggs lightly. There's no need to beat it too much. If you want, you can add a little milk, like 2 tablespoons of milk to it, but I'm not doing that. I'm adding in like half a teaspoon of pepper powder and some salt to taste. Just mix this well. Okay, and we're going to keep it aside. Now we'll begin by adding 2 tablespoons of oil in this dish. I'm going to transfer the onions to one side, tomatoes to one side in this dish, and I'm going to microwave for 1.5 minutes. So I'm adding the onions. So this is how it looks. Onions on one side and tomatoes on the other. I'm going to now put it into the microwave for 1 minute and then again another 30 seconds. Just keep watching. So before we put it in the microwave, I have to tell you that we need to cover the dish and then put it into the microwave. So this is how it looks, that the onions and the tomatoes are cooked. I'm going to now add in our beaten egg. So I'm putting it back into the microwave. Cover with the lid. 1 minute. Can see it's half done. Now again, mix it up. So we are putting it in again. You can see the bits and pieces. It's half done. Now again, we do it for 1 minute and another 30 seconds for it to set well. So it's like an omelette also. You could make it into an omelette or into your rumble tumble. I'm setting the microwave for 1 minute initially and then 30 seconds. So now it's over. I'm going to remove it from the microwave. And our rumble tumble is now done. What we have to do is, we have to break up the egg into little pieces, and that's what makes a scrambled egg. And here you go, your microwave rumble tumble is ready to enjoy. I hope you like this video. It was quick and easy. You can do it also in a mug if you like. And do like and share it. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.